In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Calendly link name. Calendly is a fantastic scheduling tool that helps you manage your appointments and availability with ease. Whether you're a professional, a business owner, or simply someone who values their time, keeping your personal information up to date is key to maintaining a polished and professional image. Today, we'll walk step by step through the process of updating the name associated with your Calendly account. This is especially useful if you've recently rebranded, changed your professional identity, or just want a fresh start. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the Calendly homepage. You can do this by opening your browser and typing www.calendly.com. Once the homepage is loaded, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Now, take a look at the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. It's usually a small circle with either your picture or initials displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find various options for managing your account settings. From that menu, select the option labeled Profile. Clicking this will take you directly to your personal profile page where all the details tied to your account can be viewed and updated. This is the space where you can adjust your personal information to better reflect your current branding or identity. Once you're on your profile page, locate the name field. This is the section where your current name is displayed. If you want to make changes, simply click into the field and it will become editable. Now type in the new name you want to use for your Calendly account. This is important because the name you set here is what others will see when interacting with your Calendly links. So it's a good opportunity to ensure it matches your professional image. After updating your name, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll see a button that says Save Changes. Click on that button to confirm your updates. This step is crucial because without saving, your changes won't be applied and the updates won't take effect on your account. Before hitting save, double-check the spelling and accuracy of your new name. It's always a good idea to ensure everything looks exactly right before finalizing. And that's it. You've successfully updated the name associated with your Calendly account. This change will now be reflected across all your Calendly interactions, including the links you share and the emails your invitees receive. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and give it a try. So now you know exactly how to update your name in Calendly and keep your account looking sharp and professional. If you have any questions or need help with another Calendly feature, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.